Castos is the easiest way to get your podcast launched and share your voice with your audience. With our Seriously Simple Podcasting WordPress plugin integration, we give you the choice to publish your podcast content however you'd like, from your WordPress site or from Castos.com. The choice is up to you. Embed our beautifully designed, customizable audio player anywhere, right inside your website, emails, or social media posts. And our industry-leading analytics platform tells you not only who's listening to your podcast, but when and for how long. Finally, you'll get actual playback duration data, so you know how long your audience listens to each episode. Start your free Castos trial today and see how easy podcasting can be.